Hi, this video is about how to hide and unhide objects. If you would like to hide any object, you may just click the object, then click this button on top, or you can just press H to hide. To show it again, you can just click show here, untick and tick the furniture decor. That means show or hide all the furniture decor. Okay, let's hide some objects again. If you would like to show only specific object, click on show object manage. You will see all hidden objects here. Move to the object and click on the show button. You can even check the yet to hide objects and objects which outside the room. Alright, that's all for now. Thank you.